Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Changing your name in Doki Doki Literature Club is a common question for players. You might want a fresh start or a different experience. The game does not have a simple menu option for this. You must reset your progress to pick a new name. First, close the game completely. Open your computer files and find the game folder. If you use Steam, right-click the game in your library. Select Properties and then browse Local Files. Look for a folder named Game. Inside this folder, look for a file called First Run. Delete this file. This tells the game you are playing for the first time. Next, launch the game again. A message will ask if you want to delete existing save data. Click Yes to confirm. The game will restart from the beginning. You will now see the screen to enter a new name. Type the name you want and press Enter. Remember that this process wipes your progress. You will lose all your poems and save points. Make sure you are ready to start over before you do this. This method works for both the standard version and the Plus version on PC. For the Plus version, use the in-game desktop. Go to the Files app and find the Reset option there. It is a quick process once you know where to look. Now you can enjoy the Literature Club with your new identity. Follow these steps carefully to ensure it works correctly. This is the only way to change your character's name in the game. It is a simple process once you find the folder.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.